Look guys, there's 4 baby flycatchers. Those little yellow things that you see are their beaks. They're lying there with their beaks open, waiting for Mommy to bring back some food. There's 4 of them in there, although you can only see 3 right now. But there's the 4th one there. Aw, aren't they sweet? Good morning, people. Today Ed is setting up a pool that he bought. He wanted to get the girls a proper pool, seeing the pool that we did have for them broke. And he didn't like my redneck pool. So he's setting that up for the girls today because it's his first day off. And he is now on holidays, so he's got 3 weeks off. So we're just going to set up the pool. I'm going to give you a little peek of that. The girls are going to help. They will help. They watched the setup video with Daddy. So. Hey girls, you going to pump up the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, pump.
Get your door.
And here is our barn swallows. These guys are a lot bigger. So it's about 8:15, and we're just going to have a fire before the kids go to bed. Okay guys, it is 9:30. It's late. The kids are going to bed now. But I'm going to say goodnight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have an awesome day, guys.